Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to talk about how you're going to be able to get more views on your Instagram pages. So let's just get right into it. I hope you enjoy this video. So for the first thing, research is so important and a lot of times people overlook it. So right away you need to do proper research on what videos are doing best in your niche. You need to analyze that and keep improving on that. And so when I had a car page, it was around 200k followers before it got hacked. Uh, what did really well was exhaust videos. So like videos of the car doing donuts or revving the engine did really well. So I stuck to that and I kept posting that because the videos just kept going viral. So once you find something or a topic like that that just works, you need to stick to it and just keep posting videos about it. The criteria is you have to make your content extremely likable. So like don't post anything that maybe like only 1% of people would really like. Try to do something that a lot of people would like, even if they're not exactly like a big fan of that topic or niche. It should still be likable. And also try to make your reels or videos or anything like that. Try to make it short because your viewer needs to be watching 90% of your reel or more for Instagram to keep pushing it out and like keep showing it to every single person. So just make sure it's really short. And another thing is this doesn't exactly apply to like reposting, but the hook should be really good, especially if you're a creator. So your hook needs to be really good. But for a theme page, it doesn't matter too much because you already know the content is good if you're reposting it. And another thing is it helps if the content is controversial because people are going to be typing away in the comments a lot about whether or not like they agree with the concept or they don't agree with the concept or something like that. And some keynotes is I'll actually make a step-by-step walkthrough if the video gets 50 likes about how you can find a viral video and how you can make one if you guys are interested in that. If you want me to run and grow your business on Instagram or creator page, just DM me. My username's in the caption. Subscribe if this video helped you. And also, I'm doing consulting. So if you're an Instagram theme page and you want to run it by yourself but you're looking for some advice, just hit me up. We can do a 30-minute call. It's really cheap. Just DM me.